welcome you to another episode of One-on-One with Hammer Loaded. And in today's class, I'm going to, as promised last week, I told you that I'm going to show you an indicator that you can use to trade with full confidence, 100% confidence, to know that the continuation pattern system is A+ setup. So whenever you see that the price action is trading above this indicator, it's a sign for you to know that this price action is going to buy. I can assure you 90% of the time it will buy. Before you can confirm a certain system is valid, is working, you have to at least check a 6-month data or 1 year data. You can as well, if you have the time, you can check 2 years data. You understand? So let me take you back to this year market data now. So let us try to start from January this year. So and let us backtest it together. We'll also try it on other pairs as well. On the 1 hour time frame now, this one flag, right? Can you see it now? Trading above the 100 EMA, right? So it's either you use the 30-minute breakout or 1 hour breakout. So what you have to do is use 1 hour time frame to establish the continuation pattern. Then the moment you realize that the price action break out of this continuation, right, then make sure that the price action is either the candlestick, 30-minute candlestick, or 1 hour candlestick is trading above this 100 EMA. You need to exercise patience. You understand? Make sure that 1 hour candlestick or 30-minute candlestick close above this 100 EMA. You understand? Very, very important. You need to establish this thing. Don't just take any continuation pattern system blindly. So if you look at this guy is trading above it, then we execute. There's a stop loss here. Can you see it? Boom. That is first one. I want you to be keeping the record. That is first successful one. So there's another one. You understand? So the next one, you can see that the flag is trading above this 100 EMA. You understand? Then we have this. You understand? Then we have this. So price broke it to the upper side. Do you understand? So now let us wait for another one. You can see that the moment the price action is trading below this 100 EMA is a confirmation that the price is going to sell, right? Then establish it. Then wait for price action to break it. Then execute. What happened? Price sold. You understand? So if the flag pattern system or continuation pattern system is trading above, take the buy. If trading below, take the sell. Now that is another third successful trade. Now then this is the first one here, trading above, boom, right? This is another one here. That is the fourth. This one is the fifth. You understand? The fifth. You understand? So you can see that this is a bullish flag now, but it's trading above this 100 EMA. So you ignore it. You understand? We are supposed to see this bullish flag below. So, and this is the one we are having below it now. I think we have taken eight signals now, 8 successful one now. So this is the 9th one. Can you see it now? Close. Is either you wait for 30-minute candlestick close or 1 hour close. Boom. Then execute. Are you grabbing? You understand? This is 10. You understand? This is the 11th one. Imagine you are taking 11 trades in a row. You understand? Trading below it. Then boom. Boom. So this is just like a extra confidence for you to execute without hesitation. Whenever you see it, execute. Not that you're not going to lose, you understand, but this is going to give you like 90% win rate. So let's try to backtest this on Euro USD as well. Look at this one trading above it, then execute without hesitation. Above it, boom. Above it, boom. Right? Above 100 EMA, boom. Can you see it now? Below 100 EMA, boom. Do you understand? Look at another one below 100 EMA. Remember last time you said you anytime you want to take a flat like that, you'll be scared by what the market is doing. So with this, it's going to help you. You understand? So can you see this one? This is a flag. Remember I said you have to wait for either 30-minute candlestick or 1 hour candlestick to close below the moving average. You understand? So even after the breakout, but the price action is still trading below this. Let's say you are using a bullish flag, but after this breakout, the price action is still trading above it. No, don't take it. Wait for 30 minutes or 1 hour to close below the EMA. Then after that, then execute immediately without hesitation. You understand? Can you see it now? That's another one. Then let's see another 1 year. You understand? This one is just the recent, but you can also take your time and backtest it. This is another one trading below the 100 EMA. Can you see this guy here now? Boom. Execute. Can you see another one here? Boom. Can you see another 1 year like this? Can you see another successful one like this? Boom. Boom. You understand? The price action took it out. You understand what I'm saying? Then we have another 1 year like this. Another 1 year. Can you see it now? You understand? Boom. Boom. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you getting it now? So this is another 1 year trading up below it. So you just have to backtest this thing. So let's try to see AUD USD as well. On AUD USD, you can see all the flag or all the continuation pattern above the 100 EMA executes without hesitation. You understand? Can you see it? Boom. Execute. The one below, you understand? Execute without hesitation. Then let's check other ones. Okay, this is another beautiful one. You can see that when the price broke out, the price action was still trading below the EMA. So you have to wait for either 30 minutes or 1 hour to break, to close above EMA. Then you execute. Do you understand now? So for you to set up this your 100 EMA, so once you had your indicator, so what you have to do is to open it. So once you open it, you can see under the input here, just follow this my settings. 100 here, close, 0 EMA. You select EMA here, then 100 EMA here. So nothing special. This is the most important one. Then under the star, you can change the color that you want. You understand? Just follow my settings, or you can show you understand. But this the input settings is the most important one. Change this one to 100, this one to 100 EMA. Just follow this setting here. Simple as ABC.